spread. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog with a happy fur. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming along. G is for goat on the hill so high. H is for hat that sits on by. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jug that pours a treat. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest where birds feel free. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for parrot, colorful in flight. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for tiger, hunting its prey. U is for umbrella, in the rain it's great. V is for van, driving through the gate. W is for watch, ticking with care. X is for xylophone, music to share. Y is for yak with thick warm hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear. Now we've learned our ABCs. Let's sing and dance with so much ease. Let's sing the ABCs from A to Z with glee. Learning's fun, just you and me. Come along, 1, 2, 3. You can repeat this chorus after every few verses to keep the rhythm lively and engaging for the kids.